I'm recreating a Mexican taco bake tonight for dinner. The recipe is by Nicole with Allrecipes. It looked great when she made it. Let's see how it tastes. Brown 1 pound of ground beef. Add in 1 packet of taco seasoning mix. And 3/4 cups of water. And I'm going to add in a little bit of onion, minced onion, just for some extra flavor. And let that simmer. I'm going to simmer until all of the extra water has cooked out of it. Okay, now we just place our crescent rolls onto a cookie sheet, and I have parchment paper on mine. And we want to put them the thick side towards the center. So we'll overlap it a little bit. I think I'm going to make it a little bigger. Make it a little bigger. That looks pretty good to me. Now we sprinkle some cheese around. Now we put our taco seasoned meat around. And we're going to fold these over and just kind of tuck it under. Fold and tuck. Okay, we're going to put it in a 375 oven for about 11 to 12 minutes until it's golden brown. It's out of the oven and it looks really pretty. I did have to bake it for 23 minutes. I'm going to transfer it over to a platter. Oh, that was easy. I added some sour cream and salsa right to the center. And as soon as it cools, we're going to give it a try. Okay, I'm really curious to see if it stays together. Oh, it's still pretty hot. I want to try it. I'll let it cool just a little bit longer. Maybe not. Okay, it's staying together pretty good. I'm going to dip it in my salsa and sour cream. Mmm. 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 Your family will love this. Kids will love this. Grandkids will love this. It does stay together. I was afraid it might fall all apart, but it's really good. It's a win. Okay, we're going to make some little smashed baked potatoes. I have had these before and they are excellent. So we're going to make those. You make them up real quick, pop them in the oven, and they are delicious. Okay, the first thing you do is just put a little bit of olive oil right on your parchment paper. Just a little bit. It's running. Okay. Then a little bit of grated cheese. I'm just using a medium cheddar. You put that right on. Okay, next you just take little red potatoes, and I already have boiled these for about 10 minutes. They boil up really quick. You leave the skins on. You probably could even boil these or cook these in the microwave, just in a little bowl with some water covered, and steam them that way, but cook them until they're tender. And we're just going to sit that right on top, and then we're going to smash it with a glass. So it looks like that. Cute. Next, we season these up. I'm going to use some garlic salt. So I'm not going to add other salt, but if you don't use something with salt, then by all means add salt as well. We'll put quite a bit of that. Okay, and I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. And then we go back on top with a little more cheese. And that's it. We wait. Okay, these are out of the oven. They look so good. Okay, let's give these a try. I'm going to dip them in ranch dressing. And I'll take this one. They pick up so easy. Oh, it's still so hot. I got to let it cool. I got to let it cool. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. These are the best little things that you will make. They are so easy. They will go with anything. Instead of potato chips, just make these. Have these with your burgers. Have these with your sloppy joes. Or just by themselves. So good. Hard to put down.